Thank you, dear Kaya, for your nice words and support in every area. I appreciate it very, very much, and also for hosting me today, and we had now earlier an excellent meeting. Yes, the signing of this security and defense partnership marks a significant, from my point of view, milestone in relations between Iceland and the European Union. And it's a really valuable relationship we are building on. While the EEA agreement continues to provide the foundation of our cooperation, as we know, the world around us is changing also rapidly, and we have to face it. The European Union, from my point of view, also has stepped up to meet today's security challenges. Its policies are increasingly shaped by its security agenda, and more of its resources are devoted to bolstering the security and resilience of our continent. As the Euro-Atlantic area are now facing rising threats and a predictable security environment, as you mentioned, Iceland is taking concrete steps to deepen bilateral cooperation with key allies and partners. We have expanded our cooperation with our neighbors, most recently with Finland and Germany as well, which complements already established partnerships with other Nordic countries and Canada, almost Nordic European country, and the United Kingdom as well. The European Union is also a natural and important partner for Iceland, for example, giving its strong focus on not least countering hybrid threats, its leading role on cybersecurity, and its efforts to protect critical infrastructure. Very valuable. Also, continued support for Ukraine in the face of Russia's illegal war of aggression remains vital. Iceland also fully supports EU's action in this regard on sanctions, the shadow fleet, and economic, humanitarian, and defense-related assistance as well. Every successful partnership brings benefits to both sides, as you mentioned, dear Kaya, and I'm confident that the partnership we have now just signed will strengthen our mutual security and further deepen the close relationship between Iceland and the European Union. So it was a good day. The question today is yes, and the answer is yes, and I hope also that the answer in the late August, 29th of August, will also be yes among the Icelandic people. The future is exciting with you.
Thank you.
Okay, so we have. So, Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the signature ceremony for the Security and Defense Partnership between the European Union and Iceland. We are honored to have with us today Kaja Kallas, the High Representative of the European Union for Foreign Affairs and Security Policy and Vice President of the European Commission, who will sign on behalf of the European Union. Signing on behalf of the Republic of Iceland, Thorgerður Katrín Gunnarsdóttir, Minister for Foreign Affairs. Thank you all for joining us on this important occasion. We'll now proceed with the signing of the EU-Iceland Security and Defense Partnership. High Representative, Minister, I kindly invite you to sign.
Please do. Start.
Thank you. I would now like to invite the signatories to please hold up their signed copies of the document for an official picture. Thank you.
Excellent.
Thank you.